Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Adi Septiadi, and I will now present a scientific paper with the title of General Public Perception about the operating system Windows 7 and 10. Before starting, I say thank you to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His grace and grace so that scientific work can be completed properly and on time. Hopefully, scientific paper can be worked better. So let's move on to the next thing. Okay. Chapter 1, Introduction. Background. Point 1, technological development. Today everyone in the world already know and already use the Windows operating system as a support to run the system on their computer. Point 2, therefore I will write down how people's perception of using Windows 7 and 10 of several things about all of the problem that exists is in this paper. Yes, it's true. Everyone already know the operating system Windows. Everyone almost everyone know how to install Windows and operate them. Next page. Research objectives. The purpose of this study is to find out how much influence perception on the general public regarding the use of operating system Windows 7 and Windows 10, especially in Indonesia, as well as the advantage and disadvantage of every Windows 7 and Windows 10. Next page. Further program formulation. What is the comparison of the advantage and disadvantage of operating system Windows 10? And what is the perception among the general public about the use of Windows 7 and 10 operating system? So, next page, chapter 2, discussion, understanding perception. According to Miftah Toha, perception is essentially a cognitive process expressed by everyone in understanding information about their environment, whether through vision, hearing, vision, feeling, and smell. So, the perception is a unique interpretation of the situation and not a correct according of the situation. Next page, operating system. Point 1, the operating system is a line between the user of the computer and the computer hardware. And point 2, the operating system central to regulate and monitor the use of hardware by various application program as well as user. Point 3, the main objective of operating system design are define abstraction, profit from primitive operation, ensure isolation, and manage the hardware, according to Tannenbaum. Okay, then please note that the operating system falls into the category of software. Next week, brief history of Windows operating system. So, Microsoft introduced an operating environment called Windows on November 20, 1000 985 as a graphical operating system cell from MS-DOS in response to the growing interest in graphic user interface. Such is its brief history that Windows used to be text-based in a TV sense. Next week, comparison of Windows 7 and 10. Windows 7 easy to use, more productive, stable, no function update maintenance. And Windows 10 frequently used version of Windows in 2020. Confidential use by the public, attractive design, and get system update maintained. Please note that Microsoft has stopped maintaining Windows 7 already, so that no system update maintains also security vulnerable system. And look, Windows user statistics in Indonesia are taken from the StatCounter website. So, operating system over 20% of user cost Windows 7 and over 65% of participants familiar with Windows 10. And next week, chapter 3, closing, conclusion, and suggestion. The general public turns out to use more Windows 10 and then Windows 7. This shows that Windows 7 has a design and feature that attract attention although the perception among some people cause to return to Windows 7 for comfort, stability, and productivity of operation to do the job. So it is recommended to use the operating system according to your need and choose a Windows operating system that gets service support. If choosing Windows 7, so be careful because there is no service support, so it can cause unexpected things. And next week, bibliography. For Tannenbaum, Avi Silverchat, and etc. for ebook or website. These are the references detail of both the ebook and the trusted website, of course. That's no presenting of scientific writing. We apologize if there is a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.